Here's how you can make money online today by just watching videos. As simple as that. And in this video, you'll learn the exact process to do that. All I want from you is to like the video because it really helps out the channel. Hey, I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online. So subscribe if you're new, because me and my team, we are a group of 3, me and 2 video editors. We try to do from 1 to 3 videos every single day so you can gain value. And you know what? I can shout you out in one of the next videos. All you gotta do is comment something cool, or your YouTube account, Instagram account, TikTok account, whatever, in the comment section. I'll take it, put it in the shout out jar and shout you out just like this. So in this video, I'll show you 4 websites to actually make money by watching videos or ads. Super simple, it's a super simple concept, but full disclosure here, some of the websites actually want you to be from the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, whatever. If you want to go that route and still log in, because I know a lot of you guys, you're not from a main country. You might be from India, or just like me, from Bulgaria, Romania, Russia. An alternative is to use a VPN. I have some links for VPNs in the description down below that I use. So if you want to go that route, this is how you do it. Let's start with the first website. It's actually called AdWallet. It's my favorite one. It says brands want your attention, make them buy it, right? Like the Joker said, if you're really good at something, don't do it for free. If you're good at watching videos, don't do it for free. They have a video on how it works. It only takes 45 seconds to watch it on their website. I'll have all the links that you need in the description down below for this website, for the VPNs, everything for the other websites. And you just basically watch a video, get rewarded, and you can also make $1 for every friend you refer to the platform. One of the cool things I like about AdWallet is that they only want you to make $10 to cash out, because some programs, they can have a requirement of like 20, 30, 50 bucks. So you never reach that, you get discouraged, and they'll keep your money. So 10 bucks is really realistic, especially if you're going to refer some friends. The second website is actually called Inbox Dollars. It's really cool, and you basically sign up for free, confirm your address, and you can earn cash and gift cards. They have different niches, and they're saying they've paid out over $59 million. And the cool thing about it, they have at least 6 niches like trending, news, technology, celebrity gossip, food, entertainment, and health. You've probably watched one of these anyway, so why not get paid by just watching celebrity gossip and getting, like, this is a no-brainer. And if you like niches like this, making money for watching videos in sub-niches, there's even a better alternative, and it's actually called iResume. It's a weirder name. I have a link for it in the description down below, but it basically has shop, it has technology, travel, automobile. Like, if you just watch car videos, you can get paid. How cool is that? Which brings us to the 4th website, because I don't want to waste your time too much. You can check them out yourself after the video, and it's actually called Swagbucks. They have a really SEO page, a lot of text on the main page, but you just basically answer surveys and get paid for it. If this video helped you out, make sure you give it a like, and if you're new, make sure you subscribe to the channel because it really helps me out. Remember that a video a day keeps the doctor away. This is no financial advice, this is no medical advice. Do your own due diligence. Result can vary. By the end of this video, make sure you check one of these videos out. See you next one. Bye.